Here we have question 17 on the January 2017 Algebra 1 Common Core Regents. And this question appears very, very complicated, but it can actually be solved really, really easily with a calculator. So if we have a TI-83 or 84, let's take a look at our question. It says when the function f of x is x squared is multiplied by the value a, where a is greater than 1, the graph of the new function g of x is ax squared does what? Okay, well, we have an a of greater than 1, so why don't we just say let a equal 2. Could we let it equal 3? Sure. 4? Sure. 5? Whatever you want, as long as we recognize that it's got to be greater than 1. So we will then say that g of x is 2x squared. So let's go ahead and graph both of these functions. We have our original one, which is x squared. And then we have our second one, which is 2x squared. And let's graph it. Now remember, when we graph this, the first one is going to draw first. So we'll be able to see what happens in relation to the 2. So that's x squared. And then the one that we drew the second time is 2x squared. So if we take a look here, the first one is our original x squared, and the second one is 2x squared. Well, it definitely opens upward, just like the original one, so we can go ahead and eliminate 3 and 4. And the second one, which was 2x squared, does appear narrower. So the answer is choice 2. Now, had you chosen, say, 3x squared instead, the result would be the same, except even more pronounced. So here's our original, and here's our 3x squared. And the larger we make that original coefficient, the more pronounced that narrowness is going to appear. So this is a really, really simple question if you use your calculator. Doing it by hand is a little more tedious. You'd have to recognize that the y values accelerate faster. So we just recommend using the calculator for this one and making our lives a lot easier.